Hi, I'm Sarah Rose and today we are going to be talking all things brow here at MUA. Here at MUA we love a good brow. We have so many different types of products, so many different types of styles. They are so inclusive, great shade range, great textures and really simple to do. I'm about to apply my brow now. My eyebrows are slightly thin, so I like to always start off with Brow Gel XL. I love the way it holds the hair in place. It gives like the laminated feel look, but it's not sticky on the face, which is a great feeling. And then I'm going to go in with my favourite brow pencil at the moment, because it does change all the time. Brow Define. And this one is the eyebrow pencil with the blending brush, not the spoolie. So, what's cool about this one is it's got an angled cut to create like a hairbrush strokes, and then you've got a really smoothing brush at the end just to blend it all in. So I'm going to start with the brow gel. I like to curl the product through the brow. As if you're doing your hair, you'll curl your hair, you'll curl the brush just to make sure all the product goes into the brow without having to dip in again. It's already got a bit of a difference there. It's lovely. When I apply my eyebrow products, I always follow the brow mapping guide. To brow map, it's quite a very simple formula. What you have to do is from the edge of your nose, the outer corner of your nose, you're going to have the pencil, you're going to lean it along your nose, and you're going to see where it hits on top of your brow. So you can see my brow should start along here. So just to know where I'm going, I've got a little dot there. And then the brow should arch from the corner of your nose through your pupil towards the side of your hairline, so in this direction. So I can see my arch is in quite a good place here. And then the end of the brow should be from the end of the nostril, the end of the eye, towards the hairline, so along here. So mine's a bit short, so I'm just going to add a bit here. And that's just a little guide so I know where I'm going with the product. You don't have to do this, you can apply your products however you like, but it's just how I like to do mine. So you can start with little strokes going up. Just going to follow the direction of the hair. Do little strokes. Take your time. Get up to that arch bit. Like it. Thank you for watching, and what brow products would you like to try, or what products have you tried already? Please let me know. Once again, leave the comments below and I can't wait to read through them all. Take care, bye.